apart. So as you guys concluded, that means there's fewer particles in the can. Okay? Fewer particles. When I invert it into the water, it seals it off, which you guys quickly identify. I seal it so that nothing can escape. When I put just the warm can in here, air was able to flow in or flow out, so the can didn't contract, okay? But without doing that, when I close the can off, there's fewer particles inside. As soon as I cool those down, do they go slower or faster when I put them in the cold water? Does something go faster or slower in cold water?
Slower.
Slower. So when the particle of motion slows down, they come closer together, and the low pressure, we have lower pressure because they're slowing down in the same amount of volume. So the pressure in here is less when I cool it, and since there's no way for air to rush into the top, the pressure from the outside air, which is now greater than the pressure of the air inside the can, causes the can to crush. This is what would happen to a submarine if you go down deep into the ocean and your submarine isn't built properly. And they can actually crush.
Like I said earlier, pressure seeks the lower pressure air and it tries to crush, right?
High goes to low.
That's the reason.
Absolutely.
You were trapping the low pressure air and it couldn't get out, so it tried to...
So the high pressure outside the can, right, wants to get inside where it's low, and it ends up crushing the can. Because you couldn't crush it this well with just your hands. The air does a much, much better job. It's amazing how much better nature does things than people do. So we're just waiting for it to heat up right now. It's heating up. I just realized, what type of drink is this one?
It's orange soda.
No, it's an orange
Crush.
Crush.
I love
And it's only appropriate that they played the song this morning.
What?
The final countdown?
No.
They didn't even play that song.
What was the boy song they played?
Well, which one?
The last one.
Pressure.
With Queen.
Pressure.
There you go. So between Under Pressure and a crushed orange can, I think we got it covered. No, are we steaming yet? See, you generally don't want to look over steamy things without.
Oh, steam. We got steam.
There we go, now it's steaming. You have to let it steam for a little bit so it pushes all of the regular cold air out. So now the air is warm in here, so there's fewer particles than there were before. Okay, now if you want to get a bit of an angle into the water, because it's going to be at the water. There. Okay, let's see if people can see. All right. So are we ready?
No.
Yeah.
I'll give you a countdown as soon as y'all tell me ready. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.
I missed it.
Oh.
Somebody keeps saying to their
It's okay, then now it's saving yours.
You can see there's not much air left in this can. Now I have a question. You guys are going to sit back down.